top lid heat sealing machine. Biforce Technology heat sealing machine uses a two-sided heating system, which reduces the cycle time and increases productivity. The machine is equipped with a system for battery positioning and lid detection. Lid holder is carried out by vacuum. Improved moulds and a hot plate ensure high-quality soldering. The design of the lid allows for quick re-equipment. Thanks to the servo drive control of the working units, the sealing cycle is exactly and smoothly executed. The machine is additionally equipped with a unit for checking the tightness of the battery. This device, by means of clamping nozzles, creates air pressure inside the battery, and in the event of a pressure drop, the system detects a leak. If a leakage is detected, an alarm is triggered, and the battery is removed from the conveyor at the rejection station. Chassis and protective panels are made of 316L stainless steel. Reducers are covered with acid-resistant paint. The machine is equipped with a motorized conveyor with a simple and quick adjustment of the guides, as well as a reliable battery positioning and fixing system. The conveyor is additionally equipped with a rejection station and a collector for defective batteries. Smart Stop system does not allow the delivery of a new battery while the previous one is in the process of heat sealing. The machine can be used as a standalone installation or as a part of a finishing line. Control. Automation of the technological processes and temperature control is carried out by Siemens plc. The machine is equipped with a remote control panel with the ability to adjust the position and Siemens built-in touchscreen for entering the necessary parameters and monitoring the processes of sealing and checking the tightness. Advantages. Rise in the popularity of sealed maintenance-free batteries in the automotive market leads to an increasing shift of manufacturers to the production of this product category. Considering the growing demand, integration into the production cycle of equipment necessary for the final assembly of more technologically SMF batteries will allow expanding the range of products and increasing the prestige of the manufacturer's trademark. The heat sealing of the top cover is a mandatory step in the process of producing batteries that do not require maintenance. Top lid heat sealing machine from Biforce Technology is an indispensable tool for the production of maintenance-free batteries.